morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. So, again, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings. And we are on day 2 of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So, thank you, everyone, for joining the session today. And yes, I'm waiting for a couple of more people to join because as such, we have the enrollments list itself. We have close to 80 plus. So I'm waiting for other participants team. But from tomorrow, I request everyone, please be on time. As such, for first 1-2 days, I can understand team. So that we've been waiting for more 4-5 minutes. But from tomorrow, I request everyone, please be on time by sharp 8 o'clock so that I can able to complete the session also on time team. Okay. So in the yesterday session team, yesterday we had a demo on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. And today also, I'll be continuing to that. So from today, we've been starting with our regular sessions. And in continuation to the yesterday session, we will see what we left out in yesterday and what we planned out for today team. So in yesterday's session, what we have seen team, I introduced to you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications is about. Okay. And I have also introduced it to you about myself. What is my experience in this domain? And also, what are the demo agenda things? I mean to say, what we will be covering. We have seen here team, like introduction to ERP first we have seen in the yesterday session team. Then I explained you Fusion application evaluation overview. So when Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into the market, prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the existing ERP products Oracle having in the market? The entire background of the Fusion application, I have explained you in yesterday's session team. And I also explained you types of companies involved in any project implementation team. When you learn this technology, in what sort of companies that you will be recruited, who is called as service provider or the vendor company, who is client or the customer, who is consulting company, what we will be doing once we hire in this consulting company. These types of companies differentiation I explained you in yesterday's session team. And then we have seen Fusion environment releases team. When Oracle introduced these applications into the market, what is the release version Oracle introduced them? Since then, how it got evolved and what is the latest version of the Fusion application, I explained you team. And also I explained you quarterly upgradation policy in Fusion system team. What I told you, 4 quarters in the year we have, and Oracle follow quarterly upgradation. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application. I told you how that happening. What is the versioning concept? Quarter to quarter, what is the versioning Oracle following? I have debugged these numbers also in the version team, right? So that we have seen yesterday. And I also touch base it to you on quarterly upgradation activities team. I have not detailed about them. I've told you whenever we talking about the implementation project and support project workshops, I will tell you what are the activities that we will perform during the quarterly upgradation every time in the projects or in the real-time team. That we have seen. And then I introduce it to you what are the modules we have in HCM Cloud, the entire course components what we have and what we covering as part of this program we have discussed yesterday team. And also I made you clear on this particular subject of who can learn this particular technology. So if you are from any of these backgrounds, non-IT or any other degrees other than BTech or MCA, anything team, you are eligible to learn this. So I told you, if you have a career gaps or if you have any non-IT experiences, now you are planning to switch to this technology, companies are open to recruit you if you have good knowledge in this subject I told you. And the most important point what I told, this is completely no coding, zero coding. It's not low coding team, zero coding it is, I told you team, right? And then I have also introduced it to you the course features team, like what is the program, how many months duration this is going to be, what will be the everyday timings, then what support that you will be getting as part of this course delivery team, access to the videos for lifetime in the portal, then access to private and public cloud. So team, till yesterday midnight, whoever enrolled team, we already shared you the portal accesses to you. I request everyone, please check your email IDs that what you provided to us. Sometimes the emails are going to spam folder also. Please do check out in your spam folder also team. For everyone, whoever enrolled till midnight, few of them enrolled today morning also. For them, we are yet to create. But whoever enrolled before 12 p.m. last night team, we have already shared the portal access, how to access everyday recordings, that portal access we have shared. Please check out. If you have not received that, please reach out to the support team. If you are not reaching out, you will be in a trouble team. Otherwise, the communication between we and you will be not, you will be somewhere confused and you won't get the backup of the sessions team. Please, I request, check and get your access created today. And then I also told you what sort of placement assistance that we are going to provide you, and also some of the placement proofs from our existing batches that I have navigated team. These things we have discussed in our yesterday's session team. Now in today's session, we are going to see the left out concepts that what we planned for yesterday. That is Oracle Knowledge Repository, Oracle Certification Process, and also today I will introduce to you the Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Like whenever you are going to work in the real-time projects after you're getting the job, how the application that will be. So what is the look and feel of the Fusion application? How we can access the Fusion application? That we will see in today's session team. Okay. So people who had to fill the Google form, please fill the Google form team. We've been sharing for the enrollment confirmation. Whoever already filled and enrolled, please ignore. Okay. Whoever had to complete, please fill the Google form so that today we can share you the details team. So now the very first concept that we can start for today, Oracle Knowledge Repository. What is this Oracle Knowledge Repository team? I told you yesterday, as part of the materials, you will be getting this drive folder team. These are customized materials for making you convenient to make user friendly to understand the tool. We prepared team, all the PDFs that I have shown you yesterday with screenshots and navigations, the course material. On top of these, if you want to access the standard Oracle delivered documents, where we have to go, that is what team, Oracle's Knowledge Repository. See, whenever you learning the technology, you have to live with that application team. What happening every time with the application, you have to be upgraded about yourself. So where you can access the standard Oracle delivered documents in the internet, and even quarterly upgrade whenever happening team, every 3 months Oracle upgrading their application. Every time when Oracle upgrading the application, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in, Oracle will release the release notes team. Release notes means the standard documents in this release, we are coming up with these new features in the system, like that team with screenshots, clear-cut explanation team. So how to access them, that we will see team. Just go to the internet team, okay, and type it as, okay, Oracle repository, okay, type as Oracle repository. Just go to your Google Chrome, type as Oracle repository team. The very first you will land upon team, Oracle Enterprise Repository, the web link. Go to that team. You will land upon Oracle Enterprise Repository. So you can come to this Oracle Enterprise, one second team. The URL got changed. One second. Or else you go to docs.oracle.com team. Simply go to docs.oracle.com. This is better team, easiest way. Just go to Google and just pass the URL like this team. docs.oracle.com. This is the URL. Okay. Just go to your Google Chrome, pass this one, search docs.oracle.com. So you will land upon this team. So all the Oracle applications you can check out. Ours is Cloud Applications team. See, now someone might get a question. See, Kumar is associated with Oracle company, so he got access to all this repository. Nothing like that. Anyone can access this. Oracle given it as a free source in the market team. But the only thing is, people don't know how to navigate, where to go and where to get these details. That's all. See, I came to docs.oracle.com. Did I logged in? When I keep my cursor in this button, it is asking me to sign in. But did I logged in anywhere? No. Just I came to my internet. I opened my Google browser. I have searched with docs.oracle.com. I came here team. Now ours is Cloud Applications team. That too, Fusion applications. Under Fusion also, we have multiple products. Yesterday, someone was asking me a question before we closing the session. Kumar, we were talking about Oracle Fusion HCM. Under Oracle Fusion, what are the different ERP products Oracle offering? See team, here if you come to this slide, you can understand. Under Oracle Fusion, we have different products Oracle offering team. We are learning about HCM, Human Capital Management, HR related software application team. Similarly, under Oracle Fusion, Oracle have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Cloud, SCM, Procurement Cloud, PPM Cloud, CRM Cloud, different products for different business areas Oracle offering. But anyone who working in this applications team, they will be work in either of that team. Any one you have to choose as a career. So now we were learning about Oracle Fusion HCM. So when you come to docs.oracle.com team, what documents you want to access under cloud applications, that to Fusion, that to human resource is our application team. Financial, supply chain, sales, we have more also team. So come to Fusion and come to human resources team. Then the page will load and you will land upon this page team. Here team, on the left hand side, you have all books. Come to all books and select that one team. Okay. And here team, in the all books view, you have different filters to give team. You want to access implementation guides, user guides, administration guides. What? I want implementation guides. Select filter as implementation team. So all modules, the implementation document, see, implementing absence management, implementing journeys, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, help desk, payroll. For payroll, again, localization, we have team, country-wise, that all. See, you can come to all books, keep implementation, and you can access that PDF team here. Click on that PDF symbol. See, implement global HR module. 25A is the latest version, that one team. With all clear-cut explanation of each concept. This is a Oracle standard document for core HR module team for this one. For our core HR module team, this module. For every module in the system, you can access the Oracle documents team. They are downloadable also, free to download. You can access team. But Oracle documents are very lengthy and very vast. That is why we usually suggest to follow our material that what we have given to you team. But as a reference, anytime if you want to refer team, you have to come to this docs.oracle.com, come to all books, and then you can check it out what you want team. So implementation guides you have. Then once we hand over the system, how the client using the application, the end user transactional related thing, the user guides, if you want module wise, you have that team. That all you can check it out in books. Then team, small videos, Oracle also embeds here team. For reference purpose, if you want to refer any new functionalities, anything short, 1 minute, 2 minute videos also Oracle embeds team. If you want to access them, that also you can access. Ideally, that not required, but you have this, you can explore that team. Then the most important thing here team, after accessing the Oracle standard books or the documents of their modules, quarterly upgradation release notes. Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application, what are the new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system? You can get that here team. When you come to this screen, you have team here, cloud readiness or what's new. You have to go to this what's new team. Click on that, what's new. And here team, if you scroll down, all products of Oracle you can see. HCM, supply chain, this is financials, this is sales, marketing, everything. Human capital management team. In the human capital management, you can select the release. Which release you want, latest update. And here you can select a team, module wise. These all are the modules team. Human resource, payroll, talent management, everything. See team, when I filter with the latest update team, 25A is the latest version of the Fusion application I told you yesterday team, right? The current latest version is 25A. So all 25A module wise, this is benefits module. This is compensation module. This is common features. This is human resource module. See team, then talent management section. If you see learning and development, ORC module, recruitment, absence management, time and labor, then payroll module, every module. See, this is very important team. It's not about only during the time of your training. Once you get into the project, throughout your lifespan, next 10, 15 years, whatever that you've been traveling with this technology in the company's team, every 3 months, make a habit of coming to this page and checking out and be update yourself team. So if you come here, select the release, latest release, then you can pick up team module wise. If I go to human resource, what's new 25A? In 25A, what new features came in human resource module? That is our core HR or global HR module. Select that. You will go to this team. So here, if you come to human resources, these all are the features we got team here. What is that feature? Some flex field parameter supported for Redwood jobs, location, departments. What is that new functionality? In front end, in which screen, where that functionality came in the system, like that team. See, these all are the new functionalities came in the system team. So if you select anything team, okay, what is that functionality is about? See, ability to hide document of record section on Redwood page. So here that is detailed information team. In this 25A upgrade in human resource module, these all are the new functionalities Oracle brings in the system team. Like that, for every module team, you can check it out. This is for human resource. If you want to check out in compensation module, Go to compensation sheet team. So here you can check out in compensation module, what are the new features? These are the new features Oracle brings in team. See, comments and attachment section visible only when approvals are enabled, where that particular feature is coming up. Every feature with explanation, any steps we have to follow to enable. This is team release notes, we call it as. Every quarterly upgrade when Oracle upgrading the application. Now 25A. Let's say you want to check previous releases team, filter with prior update. Okay. Then team 24D. See, prior to 25A, last year what team? Last quarterly upgrade 24D. Then 24C. So previous upgrades. Even much before if you want, select all updates team. So this is what's new. Nothing but team release notes in the system. Every quarterly upgrade when Oracle upgrading the system, each module, what functionalities Oracle bringing, it will ready-madely make it available as an open source in the internet team. It's how wisely we are using the material for our learning purpose is the point here, right team? This is about team Oracle's knowledge repository, how to access Oracle standard materials or the documents and also the release notes for every quarter team, right? Then I will move to Oracle certification process. Why I kept this point is team, many of you having a kind of doubt in this area. Because Kumar, like in other ERP applications, when we inquired outside, institute saying that certification is mandatory, you have to pay 50,000 or 1 lakh for certification. It's mandatory like that. And even the common question, when we learning this software application, do we have to do the certification? Is it mandatory or not? If it is yes or no, whatever. What is the approach? If I have to write a certification exam, what is the approach? What will be the timing? What will be the examination pattern? What is the pass percentage I should get to clear the certification? That we will see for 10 minutes team. Then I will move on to introduction to the application. Okay. See team, when it comes to Oracle certification team, when it comes to Oracle certification process, okay, I will increase the size of the sheet. Okay, when it comes to Oracle certification process team, one thing you have to be clear is for the entire Fusion application, Oracle is not conducting the certification exam team. For the entire Fusion HCM Cloud, we don't have a global certification team. Module wise, we have core HR, absence, payroll, talent. Module wise, Oracle will conduct the certification exam in the market team. You take core HR module. For core HR, we have an examination team by name Oracle Global Human Resource, okay, Cloud Implementation Specialist. We have an examination by name, okay, like this team. Then there will be examination code also for that module, something like IZO 1046/24. The last year paper is 24. 25 paper had to come. We are in February team. So team, for core HR module, one examination team. Okay. Then for absence management, one examination. So Oracle Global Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. There will be one examination code. IZO 1054 something is there team. So what is the point you have to notice here? Entire application, Oracle not providing the certification. If anyone want to do certification, module wise, Oracle conducting the examination team. Oracle Learning Cloud, Recruiting Cloud, OTL, Talent Management, Payroll, Absence, Core HR. For technical concepts, we don't have separate certification team. When we writing these modules only, few of the components questions are included here. Okay. So module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. How you have to book the exam team to write that? See, Oracle partnered with a company called VUE Pearson team. We have a company by name VUE Pearson. Just you go to Google and type as VUE Pearson team. The very first link you will get pearsonvue.com, right? If any one of you having a prior experience of preparing for the abroad studies, you might be writing the IELTS, PTE, TOEFL exams, right? So Pearson PTE exam, many of you might know, English test, Pearson VUE, that same, that one also team. Oracle partnered with VUE Pearson company. This is an examination partner company for Oracle team. So on behalf of Oracle, they will be conducting the examinations team. Prior to COVID situation, 4-5 years back, VUE Pearson test centers are available across every country, every major cities team. You used to go there, book the exam, and used to sit there and used to write physically team. But after COVID, everything moved towards online. So now you don't need to go to the physical test centers. You can go and write, but you can sit in your home, book the exam at your convenience, and you can take the examination team. So come to this pearson.vue. You can search with your examination name and you can check your available slot and you can book the exam. Or else you can go to education.oracle.com team. Education.oracle.com. You can even go to directly Oracle University website and you can also book the exam here team. Come to education.oracle.com. Then go to certification team here. Pick up your certification, schedule your exam, which certification you want. Directly you can book the exam from Oracle University also team. So these are the two places where you can book your examination team. So check the available slot, and that is a video monitoring exam. There will be someone who will be monitoring you. Your webcam will be open and you have to write team. The examination pattern will be prior to 2024, day before last year team, I mean to say, we used to have only multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. We all know multiple choice means MSET, AIEEE, IIT exams, how it will be. Multiple choice. A question with 3-4 ABCD options. We used to write team. And each paper team is not static. Module to module, the number of questions used to vary. Core HR is a big module. We used to have 90 to 110 questions team. In absence module, we used to have 50 to 60 questions. In payroll, we have again 80 to 90 questions like that team. Prior to 2024 till 23, all are multiple choice questions team. But from last year, to make the process more rigid, because many fake examinations are happening in the market team, to restrict that, Oracle introduced real-time scenario-based questions team. 90% multiple choice questions will be there. 10% they will give you scenario, they will give you the application link, then and there you have to configure in the system and you have to show their team. So now practicality included in the examination team along with this one. From last year, this happened team. That is also not an issue. After the training, you will be in a situation to clear. That's a different story. But I'm trying to tell you the entire process, how it will work team. So module wise, Oracle will conduct the exam. These are the two places you can go and you can book your examination. The pattern will be multiple choice along with practical. Negative marking will be there. And the pass percentage is 75% you have to get team. 70 or 75% approximate is there. You have to get this. And negative marking also there team. Don't give whatever the option that you know. Be very decisive and give team. 75% at least you have to get. If not, you will fail the exam. There is no number of attempts. It is only one attempt. If you book the exam, you fail, that's all. You will be losing the money. What is the cost? For each module, Oracle charging around 23,000 team plus taxes. Here and there 2-3,000 will vary. Exactly I can't write, but usually 22 or 23,000 team. I know the examination with the range of 3,500 rupees onwards team. But now the inflation, right? Now the examination charge for each module Oracle charging is 23,000 plus taxes team. So Kumar, how we can write? See, if you are working in any IT company's team, you check with your company, HR or project manager. Many IT companies will bear the cost on behalf of their employees. And also Oracle will give some free coupons to them team based upon their association with Oracle. You check with your HR or project manager team, they will give you coupon code to book and write the exam at free team. Company will bear the cost. If not that, you have to pay from your pocket and you have to write. But first question, is this required really? Is this mandatory really? Absolutely a big no. No one will look at your certification and they will recruit you team. Whatever that you performing in the interview is matter. So in India, if you ask me, certification is not at all mandatory. So don't waste your time, don't get struggle, don't waste your money here with certification team. Once after you joining the organization, probably if any client is very particular that they want only certified resources for their project, then your project manager will ask you to clear the certification. Then you plan out with the company expenditure team. Don't waste your money to write the certification. It is not at all required team. Okay. But people from US, some of the organizations are very particular there. So you have to check with your requirements team. But in India or in Middle East also, certifications are not playing a very vital role. But again, situational requirements, you can go with that team. But to start the career in this technology, to get into the job with good packages and all, that doesn't make any change in your resume team. So this is about Oracle certification process involved. What support that we will provide team if anyone want to write the certification team. Along with our training, we will provide the dumps to you. Dumps means what team? If you're booking the core HR exam today, whatever the questions that will come in the exam that are ready-madely available with us, almost 80 to 90% of the questions repetitively will be coming up team. So we have that question and answers readily available. We will help you with that. You can clear that team. And the validity of the exam, if you are booking the exam in 2025 February and you are writing, you cleared the exam team. 18 months, 1.5 years is what the validity for the exam team. Every year, Oracle will give the new exam paper /24/25 like that. So 18 months is the validity for every exam you are writing team. Once you get certified, 18 months. After that, again, you have to write the latest paper. But usually team, companies are not that particular about any certification concept as of now. So don't worry about that. There are other ways also to clear the certifications proxies that you can discuss with the admin team offline. I cannot tell that in the recording class this. Okay. So this is about the certification process we have in Fusion application team. So these are the two concepts that which we left over yesterday team. Knowledge repository, how to access the documents. Now every one of us clear. Then what is certification process, how it is working, this we understood now. Now let us move to the Fusion application introduction team. It means whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, for example team, you take Reliance Industries as an example team. Okay. Reliance Industries want to buy the product from Oracle. Means Reliance want to use this Oracle Fusion applications for their in-house HR activities team. What Reliance doing team now? Reliance approached Oracle India Private Limited, Oracle Corporation team. Okay. Because they are the owners of the Oracle Fusion application, they are selling the product team, the ERP product. So this differentiation we understood yesterday. So Oracle is the vendor, Reliance is the user, the client or the customer who purchasing the product to use in their in-house team. See team, whenever any company, example I'm taking Reliance, any company, when they want to buy the product from Oracle team, how the Fusion applications will be delivered to the customer's team. Reliance approached Oracle given the price, quotation, everything, Reliance paid for that. Now Oracle have to give the application access to Reliance. How the application access will be given to, in which form? As I told you yesterday, team, our technology is working purely on a cloud-based model. The name of our technology itself is what, team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Cloud means what, team? On a cloud-based model, okay, Oracle Fusion applications were working, team. Cloud-based model means any software that is hosted over the internet. So whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, they no need to buy anything additionally a part of application team. They no need to buy the server. They no need to install in their office premises. They no need to install the application into the server, the maintenance, the patching, upgradation, security, nothing. Everything will be maintained by Oracle itself team. So the company will pay, Oracle will deliver the application in the form of cloud URL. Means what, team? Like this. So this is the Fusion application team. Whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of this web link as a URL team. So we no need to install anywhere. We no need to run the software. We no need to have use some of laptop configurations like 8 GB RAMs or what do you say, any supportive infrastructure in the laptop and all, not required, team. A basic laptop with good internet connection is sufficient to access the Fusion application, team. So any company, when they buy the product from Oracle, the Oracle application will be delivered with just in the form of URL, team. And for that to access, user ID and password is required, team. User ID and password is required, team. So once you take this URL, team, and copy paste in any of the internet browser, just to go here, just I'm using for your previous batch, already I signed in, team, just me log out. Okay. So just you go to any of your Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, any search engine, team, just to go type that URL and enter. Now see, team, this is the Fusion applications sign-in page. Did I install anywhere this application in my laptop? No. Just I went to the internet, I passed this URL, team, and it prompting me to this screen. What is that? Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud, then user ID and password. So to access the Fusion application, team, just the user account is required for us. So already I have my account, team, that which I use for training purposes. Today you will be getting this portal access also, the application access, team. You can start working on it. So just the user ID and password if you pass. Already auto saved it, but you can write here, team. And then if you click on sign in, team, see the page is loading here. See on the top left, I will be entering into the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications, team. Click on home button. Now see, this is the user interface of Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. I entered to the application. I can start using the application, team. So cloud-based model means that one. Application hosted over the internet. You don't need to install anywhere, team. So team, when any company buy the product from Oracle, the Fusion application will be delivered just in the form of URL, team. So here I have to introduce to you some of the jargons. Jargons means terminologies that we have to refer the Fusion applications team. Because whenever you joining the companies, I know many of you will change your experiences, manipulate and showcase some relevant experiences, and you will join the company. So when you are in the team, whenever you discussing, when you are engaging with the team, you should follow some set of terminologies team. You should not use the layman terminologies to refer the Fusion application. So Oracle given different names to refer their Fusion application team. What are they? The very general layman English word is URL or web link. These are very generalized terminologies team, URL, web link. But the actual jargon or the terminology that we have to use for referring the Fusion applications team, we should call it as environment. We can call it as environment, or you can call it as instance, or you can call it as server, or you can call it as tenant, or you can call it as sandbox, or you can call it as pod, platform on demand. So these are the different names that we have to use for referring the Fusion application. Let's say team, you are working in multiple projects team. There are situations that you have to be part of that also. Particularly if you hired in a support project team for 2-3 clients, we as a team will work team. So during that time, if you are talking with your colleague, if you are with your friend in that team, and you are asking, hey, can you give me the application access of this particular client? Or can you give me the instance of this client? Like that team. Or even you can call it as application team. Okay. You can call it as application also team. But don't use the words like, hey, give me the URL of the client. Hey, can you please give me the URL or web link of that client? These are very layman terminologies team. We should not refer that. In a professional way, Oracle given different names to refer their applications team. Everyone will have a name, right? My name is Kumar. Your name is Santosh. Your name is Suresh. Everyone will have that. So similarly, team, for Fusion applications also, if you have to refer or call, use these terminologies in the company team. You can call it as environment. Hey, can you please give me the environment of this UK client? Or can you please give me the instance of this particular client? Like that team. Environment, instance, server, tenant, sandbox, pod, application. Any of the names you can refer to call the Fusion applications when we were discussing in our team in the real-time projects team. So, okay, one more thing I will tell you here. Let's suppose team, you are in a situation that you are working in a support project team. See, when you are starting your career in this technology, you might be working in different types of projects. We have implementation project where end-to-end configuration we will do team. Or you might be working in support projects team. Means already someone implemented the system. Day-to-day issues, if anything client experiencing, we will support that issues. That I will tell you team. What is the difference between implementation project, support project? What work we will do in implementation, support, tickets, that all we will see in our workshop sessions. But team, for example, you are working in the organization team where your company deployed you for 2 or 3 projects team. In a support project, you are working for 2-3 clients, you are working team. For example, company A, this is one client. Okay. Company B, this is one client. Company C. Let's assume for time being team, you are working for 3 clients team. 3 clients are there. Company names I'm giving as of now as ABC, like that team. So team, whenever you working with multiple clients, how you can differentiate team, which client instance is what? For every client, the application will be just in the form of this URL, right? How you will differentiate team? This is very important. Okay. Client to client, company to company, when Oracle selling their application team, in the URL, these 4 characters will be unique. See, I'm having my URL https://fa/etit. So these 4 characters, company to company, will differ. Client to client will differ, team. So when Oracle selling the product only, to make the differentiation, team, in the URL, these 4 characters uniquely Oracle will give. For example, for company A, this is the URL, team. For company B, here there will be a change in the URL for these 4 characters. They might have some other code combination, team. Then for client C, I might have another code here, team. Something like this, team. So when Oracle selling the product to the customers in the market, to make the application unique, these 4 characters will be differentiated, team. So when you working in the real-time projects also, if you are working for multiple projects, team, which client application is what, you can be able to differentiate with these 4 characters in the link. See, FRED, GHRT, ETIT. These 4 characters, we call it as pod numbers. What is that, team? We call them as pod number. Hey, Kumar, that is characters. You are telling it in number. Why? They are characters, but Oracle will say they are numbers, team. We call them as pod number, POD number, team. So company to company, the pod numbers will be differed. That is the only way you can recognize which client application is which. Right, team? So that 4 characters, we call it as pod number. And team, further also we have some differentiation in the URLs, team. I am using currently for our training purpose, team. Here it is coming as Oracle Demos.com in the URL. See, demos.com means for the training activities, Oracle will provide some training servers, team. To our, like we institutes will use that. You will see in the URL at the end coming as Oracle Demos.com. But in real time, whenever you working, team, this demos you will not see. Just you will see at the end comes as Oracle.com, team. Okay. When you are working in the real-time client projects, team, in your client URL, you will see at the end coming as Oracle.com. But these environments, what we are using for our training, team, you will see coming as Oracle Demos.com. Means for our training activities, Oracle will provide some training servers in the market, team. For that only we will see Demos.com. But in real time, whenever you are working, you will see in the URL, it comes as Oracle.com, team. And also this DSFA also have a reason, team. See, Oracle having their data centers in different continents, team. In North America, they have a data center, team. In Singapore, they have a data center. In Japan, they have a data center. Okay. In Russia, they have a data center. So when Oracle selling the products to the clients, they come from which country? That related data center, the application will be maintained, team. So these codes are related to the data centers, team. In which every data center will have a code, DSFA or EAFA, like that, team. Okay. So we will be having in the URL that data center that URL belonged to, application belonged to. Get it? Kumar, these are really required for us. Data center is not required, but knowing this pod number differentiation is very much important thing, because at times in the real-time projects, you might be in a situation to work for multiple projects also. How you will identify which client application is what? So for that, I have told you this information, team. Further to this, whenever you are in the projects, team, you will be experiencing within the client different environments, team. We call them as production environment, test environment, dev environment, like that. But they are too early to discuss. I don't want to explain them now. Once we start our training program, module by module once we complete. When we come to this implementation project workshops team, here I will tell you team, what is the implementation project, support project, testing project. During this time, I will touch base on the types of environments team. Development means what, testing means what, production means what. Just that we can discuss later team, because many people are freshers or new to this technology. People already having IT experiences, you might be aware of these things, but other people will get confused if I start at this stage team. As of now, I want everyone to be with me on this aspects team. So whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered in the form of URL. These are the different naming conventions that we can use in the real-time projects to call or refer Fusion application. And client to client, in the URL, the 4 characters pod number will be unique. That understanding I want everyone to have team. Now, whenever we share the instance accesses team, at the end of the class I will tell that team, because today we are going to share you the application accesses for practice purpose. What you have to follow, I will tell you at the end of the class team. 2 instances we are going to share with you. I told you right yesterday, private and public cloud, both you will get. So what is that private and public cloud, how to use, I will tell that after the session team. Yes, we'll have the introduction to the application now. Now we all understood team, how to access the Fusion system team. So this is what the look and feel. And while we signing in, few of the features I missed out explaining. See here, whenever we signing into the Fusion application team, this user ID, how we will get Kumar, these all, this in tomorrow session, we are going to start the topic of security that you will understand team. So whenever we logging into the Fusion system team, like every other application, we have this forgot password button. For example, team, in your Gmail or in your Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, if you forgot your password or you forgot your username, you have the option, right? Forgot password, forgot username. Just go to that forgot password team. Then here system will ask you the options team, whether you forgot your username or password, select that option team. Give your username or email. When the user account for any employee created in the system team, their email IDs also will be given while HR hiring the employees team. That email we will give and we will select the option submit. System will send the password reset link to that email. Or if it is username, system will send, hey, this is what your username. So forgot password option, like every other applications how we have, in Fusion application also we have team. Not only that team, the interesting factor is Fusion applications are multi-language supported application, because I told you yesterday team, Fusion application, Oracle having the market across different countries in the globe. They're not only concentrating on US market team. Oracle applications are widely using across different countries in different continents team. So to give more localized experience to the customers team, Oracle applications designed with multi-language support patch. Means team, if I select here, these many languages are supported team. See in our mobile, if our parents, if you see some of our parents are interested to use the application in the native languages, in Telugu, in Hindi, we can change the language of the mobile, right team? Similarly, Fusion applications are also multi-language supported. Whenever you logging in only, you can choose how you want to use the application, in which language you want. Let's say here I came team and I'm changing to Greek or German, something I'm selecting team. Everything change it team, see? You change it to Greek, everything, every option. When I sign in also, the entire application will come in that language. If not, Arabic. See, the application change it to that language team. I can sign in because some of the customers, I have a personal experience team. I was implementing for one of the hospital in China, the project Oracle HCM implementing team. They used to use the application in their Chinese language team. We used to have here the Chinese language also. Okay, simplified Chinese. See, so some customers, some companies might be using this team. So Oracle made it very comfortable for utilization also. Whenever you logging in only, you select the language, in which language you want the application to access. Then accordingly, the system will be ready. Then click on sign in. So you will be landing upon the Fusion application home screen. This is the home screen of the Fusion application team. Good morning. This is my login team, hcm.lab I am using. Whoever the employee login, good morning, his username will come here, team. And team, when we log in, we could able to see different options coming up. First of all, different sections we have here, team. Sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk. Under every section, let's suppose my client group, one section is there in that tile here. If I click on this tile towards the right arrow, more options are coming on the tile here, team, right? And if I select any functional area, let's say my client group, under that I have again sub options are there. Hiring, journeys, new person, absences, performance, goals. What are all these, team? I'll tell you. This entire section, what we have after logging in, where my cursor is scrolling, team, please observe. This entire section, we call it as Springboard in the system. What is that, team? This entire section, we call it as Springboard, right? Then under this, every section, what we have, each section, we call it as functional area. Okay, because when you are in the projects team, don't discuss with your colleagues, hey, what is this icon? What is this option? These are very regular things. So the actual terminologies are these things. This entire area, we call it as Springboard, and each section, we call it as functional area. Then under each functional area, whatever the sub options we have, we call each of these options as sub-functional areas. What is that, team? This is functional area, my client group, procurement, me, service. These are functional areas. Under them, what we have? These are sub-functional areas, we call them, team. So whatever we are seeing in the Springboard, the functional areas, team, sales, Redwood, service, me, procurement, my client group, on the left hand side top corner, 3 lines are there here, team. If I keep my cursor over there, that is navigator, team. So whatever the functional areas I am seeing here, in the horizontal way, we have, team. The tile is there, horizontal way, right? In the vertical way, we will have them. Every functional area, under that, what sub-functional areas we have, team. See, if I come to navigator and if I click on this, a bar will open towards the right. See, a bar opened up, team. Same, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. If I expand that functional area, team, okay, under that whatever are there. If I expand that, team, see, under my client groups, I have hiring, journeys, new person, same thing. Under my client group, hiring, journeys, new person. So whatever we have in the Springboard area, the same functional areas and sub-functional areas, we also have on the navigator, team. So you can pick up from here or from here. This is Springboard. This is navigator, we call, team, in the system. And then, team, here we have some of the icons, team. What is this? First, I have to talk about this home icon. See, in our mobile also, whenever we are working in any of the screens, if you want to come to the home screen, if you click on home button, you will land upon the main home screen, team. In Fusion system also, home button will work like that. For example, I'm going to one of the screen, I'm going to my client group, new person. Usually, team, if a HR want to hire an employee, they will come here and they will perform the hiring transaction, team. Let's assume, okay, HR hiring an employee, team. Now, immediately, I want to cancel this and I want to go to the main home screen. Just one click away, click on home button. See, I'll be landing upon main home screen now. The home button utilization is that one team. You be on any screen. When you click on home button, you will land up onto the main home screen team. That is home button. Then we have here team favorites and recent items. See, many of us know team. In our Google Chrome also, we have a bookmarking of the tab concept here. Star button means what? This URL, if I want to save to refer future team, I can save this as a bookmark team. Similarly, within the Fusion application, you can add your favorites team in the system. Means every day, what are the most frequent doing tasks in the system? You can add as favorite. How means I will tell you team. For example, I have an employee who is working as a HR recruit, HR associate or something in the company. Every day he will come to my client group, new person, and he will perform this hiring transaction team every day. So he can be on the screen of that transaction, go to favorites button, come to favorites, and he can click on add to favorites team. Here he can click a new folder team and create his folder, something like my daily tasks, something a folder I'm creating team here. Under this folder, I'm adding this hire an employee task team, save and close. So every day when he come to the office, when he sign into the application, he no need to come to my client group, new person, pick the task team. If you go to his favorites team, here favorites, my daily task, hire an employee. Directly I can land upon that. So what is that team? Your daily most used setups or the transactions team. You can add as your favorite in your login team. So bookmarking concept team. Recent items means history. Like what are the recent screens that you navigated team that you can check it out in the system team. Like in our Google, we have history, right? What are the recent searches that we have done, we can check out. So here recent items, if you come team, the recent screens that you have navigated, you can check it out here team. That is favorites and recent item. And here we have bell icon team. I have introduced it to you. We have one module in the system called workflows and approvals yesterday team. Like in any of these modules, any transactions, if your client want to set an approvals, let's suppose my client saying, Kumar, whenever any employee apply the leave, it should go for concerned manager approval. Or whenever any HR hiring an employee, it should go for concerned HR manager's approval. We have approval concept team. So basically in the Fusion system, all the managers or the HRs, whatever the approvals that they will be receiving team, they can check in the bell icon here, all the notifications team. So the approve rejection they can do from here. This we will take in workflows and approvals class team. And then if you come to the right side settings and actions team here, every day if you want to sign out of the application, you can sign out from here team. And these things team in the upcoming classes we will discuss. If you want to check out the version of the application team, you can check it out here about this application, what is like that. So this is what we planned for today team. The basic intro, how the application access will be there and all team. Starting from tomorrow, all the introduction is done. We are going to start with our actual concepts team. So in tomorrow's session, the very first concept that we are going to start will be security administration team. Any project you go in the real time, the very first module that we implement or we have to know will be security administration team. Why? Because here only we are going to see how the user account creation part, how the access concept is working in the system. See, I have my account, I logged in. When I logged in, I could able to see several functionalities here team. But how this happening? How I got this user account? When we go for the project, who will give us the user account details and all? How to create them? That is what the basis in every project implementation team. So the training also will happen in the same sequential chronological order. When you go for the project, step by step what you will do, like that team. So tomorrow I'm going to start with the concept of security administration team, the very first module as part of the training. Now coming to the portal access and all team. I want everyone to stay focused on this. No confusion here. Already we have given steps to you how to access the portal team, but few of them again confused and reaching out with the queries that I could not able to access the portal. Simple. Almost people who enrolled team, we have shared the portal access. Whoever not received it, today we will share, don't worry. First, you have to go to our website, triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. After coming to Triotech Software Trainings, here you will have two options, live classes, e-learning. You are in live classes. Every day you're attending live program. You are in live classes. Please don't click on this. Many people clicking on this and they are confusing. Their access is not working. It won't work, team. This is not for you. This is e-learning program. People who can't attend the class morning, they will take video subscriptions for them. You are in live class. You have to click on this yellow button, team. Then this prompt will come, dashboard. Give your sign in and password, login. Go to enrolled course. Here your course will be there. February 2025 by name, the course will be there. So all sessions will upload into the portal, team. And also today we will be sharing you the application access also in the WhatsApp community. So if you want to explore it till today, what we have seen this home screen on all, you can start, team. Tomorrow after the session, I will share with you the first set of material to you from day one, yesterday, today, tomorrow, and for next 15-20 days, what we are going to discuss. The first set of material I will share with you in tomorrow's session, team. So materials we have not shared so far. Just wait for tomorrow. After the session, I will share with you. You can start using them. But as of today, 3 things everyone should complete. If not, then you will be missing something from me, team. Number 1, after the enrollment, get your portal access from the admin team. Second, get your number added into WhatsApp community. That community is only for me to communicate with you. You cannot able to reply or you cannot able to communicate between you, team. Anything regarding the class schedule, any material that I want to share to you, any interview questions I want to share with you, anything as a group I have to communicate. Rather than using broadcast, I will use community, team. I want everyone to make yourself added to the community. If not, please check with admin team and ask them to add, team. Number 2. Number 3, every one of you will be getting the URL, the application access today. When we share the application access, be very conscious with the password. If you try wrongly for 4 to 5 times, account will get locked. The other people will get trouble with your things, team. When we give the password, please write the password. Don't copy paste. Please write the password while you are practicing, team. So these 3 things, make sure everyone clear. If you miss adding in community with me, your communication will be cut. So please make sure whether you added in the community or not, team. For any queries, any doubts, dedicated WhatsApp number will be given to you. You please follow the community. That number is given. You can reach out to that for the further supports and all, team. So usually our sessions will be Monday to Friday, but tomorrow we have the session as it is a new batch. Only for tomorrow we are planning the session, team. But from next week, it will be Monday to Friday. But strictly tomorrow, we will not be sharing any meeting link. I think already all are enrolled. Hardly I can see 6 or 7 people. Admin team just given me the report. 6 or 7 people are there. Few of them, if I have to name Amarnath, some people are there, just who are yet to enroll. So please do confirm today. From tomorrow only the meeting link will be generated for the enrolled participants team. That will be for the entire period of 3 months. We cannot change it after that. So I request everyone, please do complete the enrollments so that you will be getting the new meeting link from tomorrow. Okay, so today will be the last day for the enrollments team. Now, any questions as such in today's topic, online people?
Yeah, hi Kumar. Good morning.
Yes, Subham.
Yeah, actually I have one question. So the server access is kind of subscription only, right? So like for 6, 7 months, as
People
yesterday you
enrolling
mentioned.
yesterday and today, you are getting 7 months server access. Yes.
So how we can check the end date and start date of this
No,
subscription?
you can start from yesterday, that will be counted. The batch started from yesterday, Feb
Ah,
27th. So it's exactly 7 months.
okay. Is there reflecting in the application also?
It's not like that. You can check with the admin team, they will give you the time.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Kumar, Manan
Manan,
here.
please.
I just wanted to ask a question that what if I want to extend my server access beyond 7 months? Is there a provision?
Doable, that is on a monthly basis or every 3 months, we have an extension policy. That price and all a team will negotiate with you. A minimal price will be there. See, to
All
be
right.
frank, I'm telling you, team, entire people, don't keep in the mind for 7 months. 7 months is a very extended period I have given. Within 4 months, you have to get the job. 3 months training, 1 month maximum your preparation. By fourth month, you should prepare your mind, you should get the job. 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, for your satisfaction only. But you should not extend to that period, team. 4 months is maximum period, keep in mind. Okay.
Hello, Mr.
Yes,
Kumar.
Bala?
Yes. So I have a question. So I missed yesterday's session. Uh,
Mhm.
I'm very new to this, and today I have taken it. It's really wonderful. Thanks for your time. So I'm working as a director HR with an IT firm. So how this course would be beneficial? Probably you have given this information in yesterday's session. Uh,
Director HR means what is experience you have, Bala?
I have 20 years of experience in the human resources, and
See, for the HR people, I usually tell that. One second, let me stop the recording here for that.